Okay, we do have a very serious situation unfolding today across the south with a severe weather tornado outbreak, which is happening now. Yesterday it moved across Texas and caused 50 tornadoes there, and today it's moving across the deep south, and it will do the same tomorrow. Look at the radar with these supercells that have just been popping up, producing some very severe thunderstorms, and even tornadoes are likely to be reported today. Look at the lightning maps showing you as these cells move off to the north and east. They are just making a real lightning show up in the sky. Alright guys, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's forecast map, and they have moderate risk out for a lot of spots today from northern Louisiana into northeast Texas, back into Arkansas, and around Memphis, Tennessee. And this is very high. They rarely issue moderate. They issue slight a lot of the time, but very rarely moderate. Also 15% tornado risk, which means there's a 15% probability of a tornado within 25 miles of any point within the 15% zone. Now, what's causing all this? This is obviously a very severe event, so what is the deal? Well, let's take a look, because I did have a forecast map in this morning's blog post showing you what was going on. I'm going to try and move it over. I'm try the move the recording box over. It's not quite working right now, but essentially here you can see is what's going on is we do have a upper level low moving through the plains, okay, and that there are a bunch of shortwaves surrounding the base of this upper level low. We also have a very moist flow from the Gulf of Mexico with dew points near 70 heading into the area. We also have some very warm daytime heating that's occurring. All this is converging for the severe weather area that we are watching, okay? So this is a very serious situation, although by the way it's looking right now, it is not affecting New England. However, it will affect an even larger area tomorrow. Look at the forecast for tomorrow, guys. This is very significant, a huge area of moderate across a lot of the deep south. Very, very bad. Again, it is not affecting New England. What is affecting New England, however, is nothing but really warmth and sunshine. Look at the temps out there. 60s for a lot of spots, some 50s. It's not all warmth and sunshine, however, and it certainly will not stay warmth and sunshine. We do have a few showers out there in parts of Maine. That is pretty much it. No severe weather popping up, unlike we saw yesterday with the severe weather across southeast Mass. Now let's take a look at our expectations for tomorrow across New England. We're going to be looking at highs in the 60s for a lot of southern New England and a lot of the mid-Atlantic. Really nice day out there. However, we do have a lot of rain, and that's going to be approaching on us for Sunday. Look at the forecast. And in terms of precipitation, you can see by 18Z on Saturday, the rain continues to move through towards New England during the nighttime hours of Saturday. It's going to reach us by Sunday. Heavy rain should be approaching us from the southwest through the day on Sunday, getting a lot of New England very wet. No severe weather expected with this, although it's still a pretty big concern. Obviously, with the rain coming through, these temperatures will be kept down. Let's take a look at the temperature forecast showing you. Let's find it here, showing you that we should be in the 50s for a lot of southern and central New England once this rain comes through. Now we're expecting the rain to continue for Sunday night, although it's going to get a little lighter during the evening hours, and then we're going to have a couple, basically the setup for Monday is just batches of rain moving in and out of New England, and that should be the same setup for essentially Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's take a look, and you can see kind of a simpler projection of this in the 5-day, which will be at the end of this video. Let's take a look at the precipitation forecast. This is Sunday, and then Monday, here you can see what goes on for the day Monday, these batches of rain. And then for Tuesday, this is morning hours of Tuesday, afternoon hours, more batches coming through. Wednesday, it looks like it's finally beginning to wrap itself up in a trough, and that will weaken the intensity of the rain, although it won't get the rain out of here. By Wednesday, we're still talking about a few showers coming through. It takes until Thursday for the storm to finally wrap itself up and get out of here. But for next Friday, for Friday of next week, it's looking like a very nice day out there. It looks like 70-degree temps and 60-70-degree temps will finally be back to New England by the time we get to a week out. Although we are dealing with two areas of rain, actually mostly one area of rain coming through for the near future, right? So keep an eye to this severe weather across the South, even if you don't live in the South, if you have relatives in the South. If they are under any kind of severe warning, tell them to take cover. Cover. Alright, to end this video, let's take a look at the 5-day forecast with our new storm alert tune here here at TNWL, and some video of the tornadoes in Texas yesterday. See you guys later. It's Nick for the New England Weather Life.ning.com.